Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, January 22nd, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I'm used to having Freaky Fridays be very hard on our equity, and today was definitely the exception. We had a great day, particularly for Freaky Friday. These are just extremely volatile stocks. I told you that before. And our profits seem very unrelated to what's happening with the Dow Jones Industrial Average. You can see here what happened with the Dow. It uh, opened lower and went really lower, bounced back here, and then did a little sell off the last 15 minutes of the day, officially down 179 points. And that's not a crash, but it is a significant um, for the Dow. So the Dow didn't have a good day, but we did. Um, we ended up, let's see, we had 10 positions, and we closed those out with positive almost $15,000. And that's a good day. Most of those profits were in one stock. I will show you that in a second. And then we got into 16 new positions, 10 positive, 4 negative, and we are carrying positive over $32,000. And again, most of that is in two stocks. So um, it's the game we play. We trade a lot of stocks to get those few outliers that really pull in the money for us. And this is really working. And I am trying to make a science out of selecting stocks which have um, a higher probability than your average stock of becoming a frequent flyer. And we've been catching a lot of frequent flyers lately, and it's really boosted our equity. And I did the spreadsheet today. If we can hold these profits um, into to Monday, on Monday on the close, we're going to be getting close to $250,000 in profit for January. That's a hell of a good start for 2021. We'll just have to see. I, the political situation is so crazy in this country. I really can't believe that we're doing as well as we are, but we are, and I'm just sticking with the system, and it's performing tremendously for us. I'll show you two of those stocks that really contributed to our profit line today. This first one is Pola, Pola, Polar Power Incorporated. And there's a lot of power in Polar Power. On yesterday, we bought Polar on the breakout here right at the beginning of the day. It went way up and then it backed off a whole lot. And you heard me, I showed you this yesterday. I complained a lot about this back off. This, I think I saw profits. I hope I got the figures right. Like this, 17,000 down to maybe 5,000 here. Big drop there in our profit line, but we're still holding up. This morning it gaps up again. Actually takes out the high from yesterday on the first 15 minutes, then goes even higher, and we get out here with $16,400 in Polar Power. And this is actually being stopped out. It got stopped out because after going higher, it started coming back. Our algorithm says, okay, we'll take our profits right there, and that's what happened. That's not our normal exit point there. But when I saw that, I thought, hey, this is going to get re-entered, and yeah, it starts climbing again, and we get re-entered there, and it's just like those re-entries are always scary, but you've heard me say it again, they are actually our most profitable trades, and that was the case here. Big move up right after we got re-entered, then a pullback, then a move up again, took out its high here, and then a little pullback for the close. But regardless, we are holding $8,700 in positive open trade equity in Polar Power. So between those two trades, we're up $23,000 in Polar Power Incorporated. Great stock and great trade so far. This thing could gap up, on Monday. You don't know what's going to happen. These stocks are crazy and volatile. Show you another one that's even more crazy and volatile. This is GME. That's GameStop Incorporated. We took a huge trade out of this just a few days ago. Yesterday, it pops up here. We bought it, and it closed slightly against us, but it popped up a little this morning, and we got out of there with $1,300 in GameStop. Not exactly an outlier trade. And then I kind of forgot about it, and then I got email from a customer that says, Bob, GameStop's going vertical. And I checked my screen, and oh my God, that's when it was up about here. It did pull back, but then it came back at the end. We're still not up to the high, but we're definitely, it definitely looks like it could move higher. On that close there, we are up $23,600 in open trade on GameStop. So just like Pola, if we put the two trades together, we have $24,000 in profit. So between Pola with $23,000 and GameStop with $24,000, yeah, we got a lot of money in these two very volatile outlier trades. And I can't promise what's going to happen on Monday, but these things could go crazy again on Monday, We just don't know. We're into both of them, both Polar Power and GameStop Incorporated. Anyway, great day to end the week. Great way to end the week. Trader Bob is happy. You guys have a fantastic weekend, and I will be back here on Monday, trading as usual.